I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, Mad Crafty. Today I'm going to review the Tulip Bullet Tip Rainbow Graffiti Fabric Markers. It comes with 30 and a bunch of vibrant different colors. I got this off tulip.com and I'm really excited to try them, so let's get cracking. Alright, here's the final product. I sort of love how it turned out. As you may notice, I am very much into art that looks like a child did it. I love doodles and scribbles, and I love the messy look. I don't like anything clean. And the hat happened to match the shirt perfectly too. And if you don't want neon colors or you don't want this kind of tip for the marker, Tulip has tons of options. Just go onto their website, find what you need, and just know that I personally was very happy with this set. So definitely 5 stars for Tulip yet again. Anyway, really happy with these. I think it's a great product. The colors are really vibrant, and I'll definitely keep them in my craft room and use them when I have to. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to see more crafts. You can find me on Instagram at madcrafty, and I'll see you next time. Bye!